Right leads to Brendam Dock. To the Brendam Docks. Let's go! Can you help Cranky the Crane unload our friendly engine and put the special deliveries onto the boat? Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Well done! Well done! Good job! Your engine loves your train set. Which special surprise will you choose this time? Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. Where should we go next? Forward leads to the big bridge. Onwards to the big bridge. Does your engine have the courage to jump the big bridge? Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make your engine go, go, go. I think your engine wants to do that again. Which special surprise will you choose this time? Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. That's perfect. Just slice across it or tap it to open. The passengers have all reached their destination, and thank you very much. Where should we go next? Forward leads to the pig farm. Right, the pig farm is near. Go, go! Left leads to the pig farm is near. Go, go! Oh no, some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Good job! Your engine loves your train set. Choose a new surprise pack. Can you find your way to the surprise pack? Look for the giant beam of light. Where should we go next? Right leads to... Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Right leads to Knapford Station. Knapford Station is just ahead. Help the passengers get into the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching colour. Super! Great! Your engine was really happy to help. Which special surprise will you choose this time? Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. Where should we go next? Right leads... Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. A new wagon? Your engine would love to pull that. Good job! When you are done, just tap the check mark. Trembling tracks. Excellent! That's the way. Where should we go next? We're almost at the town square. Left leads to the haunted castle. Forward leads to the haunted. Left leads to the haunted castle. This adventure box contains a unique engine. Right leads to Henry's Tunnel is nearby. Where should we go next? Henry's Tunnel is nearby. Oh no! Looks like the tunnel has collapsed. Can you help piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back in. Great! That's the way. Your engine was really happy to help. Time to pick a special surprise. Can you find your way to the surprise pack? Look for the giant beam of light. Where should we go next? Left leads. The Great Waterton Station is coming up. Left leads to the Great... Left leads to the pig farm. Forward leads to the town square station. This adventure box contains a unique end. Forward lead. We're almost at the town square. Excellent! Just slice across it or tap it to open. Where should we go next? Left leads to a haunted castle. Forward leads to Henry's Tunnel. Henry's Tunnel is nearby. Oh no! Looks like the tunnel has collapsed. Can you help piece it all back? Super! Your engine loves your train set.